Sydney Carton was in love with Lucy, but no one in the world would have guessed. Least of all the girl herself. Some days after Mr. Stryver's brief fantasy of proposal, Carton found himself alone with her. Lucy looked at him with concern. So there was a third suitor also for Miss Lucy Manet, that is Sydney Carton. But in the whole world, nobody knew about this thing, that he also loved Lucy Manet so dearly. So one day, Sydney Carton, he found himself all alone with Lucy. "You are not well, Mr. Carton." "It is the life I lead." "Well, change it then." Lucy was surprised to see tears in his eyes. So Lucy said to Mr. Carton, "Mr. Carton, I think you are not well." Mr. Carton said that this is it. I used to live like this only. Then Lucy said, "Then change your way of life." But Lucy was surprised to see that Mr. Carton was crying. "It's too late for that. I will never be any better than I am. I will simply sink lower, get worse." Mr. Carton said, "It is too late for that. I can't change way of my life. I am going to live like this only. Even my condition is going to be worse day by day." He leaned over and covered his eyes with his hands. Lucy had never seen him show emotion and was quite distressed by this display. So he just leaned over after saying all these things, and he covered his eyes with his hands. Lucy had never seen Mr. Sydney Carton like this. He was so emotional. "What is upsetting you, Mr. Carton?" "I have a confession. Even if you could love me as much as I love you, I would have to turn you away. A wasted, miserable man like me would simply ruin your life." So Miss Manet, she asked Sydney Carton, "Just tell me, Mr. Carton, what is the thing that is upsetting you so much?" Carton said, "I want to make a confession to you. That is, I love you so much. But if you are going to accept this, that you are also having, you also love me in that manner as much as I love you, even then I would have to turn you away, because I know I am a miserable man and I can't give any kind of happiness to you. Mr. Carton, I beg you, try and change your life. You can do it, I am sure." Miss Manet, she tries to give sympathy to Mr. Carton by saying that "Mr. Carton, please try to change the way of your life. I'm sure that you'll be able to do that." "No, I am useless and always will be. But by speaking to you openly today, I have at least done one thing worthy in my life. Please do not tell anyone." He said, "I know that thing in a very well manner, that I am useless and I am going to be like that only throughout my life. But today I am very happy because I have made a confession of my love in front of you. But I want you to do one thing, that is, please do not tell anybody regarding it." "I promise," said Lucy, putting her hand on his arm. At that, Carton slowly rose to his feet. So Lucy made a promise not to telling anybody regarding this marriage proposal. "And now I must go. Just remember that here is a man would give his life to keep a life you love beside you." He said, Now I am leaving, but you always remember that there is a person on this earth who can do anything for you. Even I can sacrifice my life for you. Lucy was so moved that she could hardly speak. Farewell, Lucy, and God bless you. Lucy, she became so much emotional by hearing all that words that she could hardly speak. And Sydney Carton, he bid farewell to Lucy, and he said God bless to her. This is the whole scene we people have discussed. This is Lucy Manet and Sydney Carton. Sydney Carton is confessing his love to Lucy, and both of them they are talking.